This is the Lesson 14 Math Curriculum. Sarah has a photography blog. 3/7 of her photos are of nature. 1/4 of the rest are of her friends. What fraction of all of Sarah's photos is of her friends? The answer is 1/7. I know that the answer is 1/7 because if you have 7 photos on the page and 3 of those 7 photos are of nature and 1 out of the 4 left are of her friends, then simply count all of the photos and how many of those photos are of her friends. 1/7. The next problem. In a cookie jar, 1/4 of the cookies are chocolate chip and half of the rest are of peanut butter. What fraction of all the cookies is peanut butter? The answer is 3/8. I know that the answer is 3/8 because if you split the cookie jar into 4s, then you put 1/4 of chocolate chips, then you split the remaining pieces into 8s. And because only half of the rest is for peanut butter, you will then fill in 1.5 spaces. And then you should get 3/8.